Oh, so today we're doing trickle vent on that one in the corner, the one in the corner there, same downstairs on the base, so they match through. I got them two on the side. There's that one and that one, and then there's just two upstairs, which is them two there, the top opener there and that one there. Handles faced inwards, not outwards. Up the ladders we go. Nice new trickle vent. That one. Time guys, so stack day today. We've done this one up here, two upstairs. They were quite tricky, and then we've done these two around the side. They do look nice, I've got to say. Okay, so it's that one there, and then the same on the opposite side, that one there, that downstairs one there, the upstairs one there, and then that one there. So it's going to have loads of extra airflow through the property, which will stop damp and mould and everything else in between.